Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explore how to effectively merge layers in Adobe After Effects. First, understand the purpose of merging layers. This helps to keep your project organized and your workflow efficient. Select the layers you want to combine. You can do this by holding down Shift and clicking on each layer. Now, right-click your selection. A menu will appear where you can choose Pre-Compose to merge the layers. In the dialog box, name your new pre-composition. This helps in identifying your merged layers later. Finally, hit OK. Your layers are now merged, making your project cleaner and more manageable. Remember, merging is non-destructive. You can still adjust individual layers within the pre-composition. Use color codes for different layer groups to stay organized. It's a visual cue that simplifies your workflow. Lastly, save frequently. Merging layers can significantly alter project files, so ensure you create backups. With these tips, you'll become an After Effects pro at merging layers, enhancing your creative projects. Don't forget to experiment. Layer merging can lead to exciting visual effects. Thank you for watching. Start merging layers today and transform your video projects.